How about that? Welcome back to Stressville, USA. Auto Salvage Outlaws. This is a number 6 piston that come out of the 69 302. It's got a little hairline crack. Unless I can find a piston like that to swap it out, which I've been looking, I can't find one. Got a little situation here. Rest of the pistons look good, and all the rod caps has done been cleaned basically, and then put back on the pistons like they come. Here's my dilemma. Here's my way of thinking. Might be somebody else's way of thinking, but I don't really know because I've never faced something like this right here before. Here's what I'm thinking. We'll pull the crank out of this one. I had to use that to get the bolt off. This is the 69 302. Like Dean said, it's like 230 something horsepower 302 versus the 133 horsepower 302. Here's what I'm thinking. We'll pull this crankshaft out. So I gotta go get the Humboldt bouncer puller because I don't know where mine is, and all my stuff's still backed up. So I'm waiting on one to come in. So here's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna pull this and completely just pull the crank out of this, and the main bearings, I already got the bolts out of it. Go ahead and pull this crank out. Timing chain cover. And I'm gonna look at the cam bearings. The cam bearings is good. Then I'm just gonna take my rings and rod bearings and cam and lifters I got for that motor that come out of the Thunderbird, and I'm just gonna go in the crankshaft, and then I'm just gonna put this together. That's the only solution that I have to the problem. As far as the crack on the piston, like I say, it's a hairline crack. Crap. Sorry about that. Y'all see my junk pile over there. I'll clean the yard up when I get done. But it's like a hairline crack. So I've been looking for a piston like this. Can't find one. So what do I do? What do I need to do? Like I said, should I run that piston? Or should I try to find a piston to put on it? That's where I'm at. Like I say, put that rod cap back. Well, I know it goes there. I think that's going to be our best solution as far as this, and unless my rich uncle gets out of the poorhouse, and I don't think that's going to do any good. All my uncles are done dead and gone. I went to town today, and I brought my wife some earrings. They're silver. I hope she likes them. I might be sleeping in this Thunderbird before this build's over. But y'all let me know down in the comments or email me. If you got my email, it's on the page, on the about page. Let me know what you think. If not, then I'm gonna go another route and try to figure this all out. If I keep that motor, that means I gotta buy some rods and pistons, or have these pistons put on them rods and buy one piston. And then I actually probably will have to buy all rods, because now you buy the rods, caps come with it. You don't think you can buy the caps, because I've been looking and ain't found where you can buy those. The way that and this, it's not gonna. I'm not even gonna attempt to run it, because I know what's gonna happen to it. And we done spent way too much money to see it go kaboom. But let us know something, and we will catch you on the next one.